Hello to all the members of the Puttur Rotary Elite Club and to all my viewers. I am first very thankful to the Puttur Rotary Elite Club for inviting me to speak on the occasion of World Post Day and the National Postal Week. The World Post Day is celebrated on 9th of October every year to commemorate the establishment of Universal Postal Union at Bern in Switzerland in 1874. So it is a matter of pride me to say that this was a proposal of Indian delegation led by Shri Anand Mohan Nerula to have such day to promote postal services across the world. So Universal Postal Union, since its establishment, has revolutionized the communication system across the world, and it has brought the national postal systems across of different countries together at one platform and regularized, sanitized, and promoted the movement of mails across the world. And now what we see, our communication system is largely a outflow of the Universal Postal Union. So, it comes to my mind that this is the month also that when India Post as a department has completed 166 years on 1st of October. Since in its 166 proud history, not even for a single time it has stopped working, whether it was a Spanish pandemic flu or it was this prevailing COVID pandemic. We have always provided service to our citizens relentlessly. And for this service, we have been awarded the best logistic provider services this year by the Government of India. So now coming on to the National Postal Week. So we have a separate days earmarked for each services that we provide to our citizen. Now starting with on 10th of October, we have Banking Day, which is centric to provide to create awareness and promote savings habit among our citizens, and for their well-being for secured present and the future. So on this day, our Puttur division is taking steps to open maximum number of accounts and declare Sampoorn Sukanya Grams, in which we will be opening Sukanya Samriddhi accounts for our girl childs, because these accounts will not only secure the future of the girl child, but these are the accounts which offer the best interest rates for any girl child. And second, we will also be focusing to convert all our Khajane to Social Security beneficiaries in our division to open their POSB savings bank account, so that all the funds, all the direct benefits are transferred to their bank account itself. So this will be the activities they will be focusing on the banking day. Then on 13th of October and on 12th of October, we will be celebrating the PLI day, in which we will be promoting our postal life insurance and rural postal life insurance to all our customers. This is the scheme which offers highest bonus with the lowest premium. This is the scheme which will assure secure future and happiness in the long life. So on that day, we plan to have Sampoorn Bima Gram in our Puttur division. Then on 13th of October, we celebrate our Philately Day, which is to promote the habit of collection of stamps. So stamps is a tool to celebrate our culture, our history, our geography, and our scientific achievements that we as a nation have witnessed in our last 75 years of independence. So in that, we will be conducting events, seminars in schools and colleges around Puttur, and we will be distributing stamps to our children in Puttur. Then on the next day, we have Business Development Day. On that day, we will be focusing on providing Aadhaar services on the full day in our 39 locations that we have identified. So Aadhaar now at present time is the best service that we can give to any citizen. It is required for all the activities, opening a bank account, getting admission to school children. So Aadhaar is the basic service that we can provide, and we feel privileged to provide to all citizens of Puttur. So on that day, we will be running a full day service for opening Aadhaar. And on the last day only, on the 6th of October, we have successfully done Aadhaar transactions of more than 3200 in a single day. running from 7 a.m. in the morning till 9 p.m. in the evening. And we promise that we will continue to provide this service in the coming future as well. Now, on the next day, on 14th of October, we have our Mails Day. In that, we are running a campaign, Know Your Postman, Know Your PIN Code, to all our citizens. So, in that, our citizens should know the postman who are delivering letters. We publicize the postman in the areas, their contact numbers, so a citizen can be free to contact them and ascertain whether there is any article there for them. And we will ensure more than 95% same day delivery on that day. So we and my team in Puttur division are all committed and we leave no stone unturned in giving best services to our citizen. And we are motivated in delivering best to the public, particularly to those who are living in rural and far-flung areas of Puttur. Thank you everyone.